Your Google Pixel is stuck at the lock screen with no keyboard appearing, leaving you locked out. This critical issue prevents any input, but we have the definitive solutions starting right now. First, perform a force restart. Hold power and volume down for 30 seconds. This clears temporary system glitches and resets active processes. If the keyboard doesn't return, an app conflict is likely, leading to method 2 booting into safe mode. Hold power, then tap and hold power off to select reboot to safe mode. Safe mode disables third-party apps, revealing if a recent installation is causing the keyboard to disappear. If your keyboard reappears, a third-party app is the culprit. Next, clear your board app data. Go to Settings, Apps, find Gboard, then clear its cache and storage. This removes corrupt files. If these steps fail, your final option is a factory reset. Backup everything first, then navigate Settings, System, Reset Options and select Erase all data. This completely refreshes your Pixel's software, eliminating deeper corruption, ensuring your Google Pixel stuck at lock screen issue is permanently resolved.